already you have told a teacher and Mike. I will not repeat the same. Dr. Ullas Kolatkar sir, Sachin Karnawat sir, President Santosh Bhaskar sir, Rajesh Trotsky sir, Rajesh Kasat sir, Rotary Club President Arun Sapkale, Rotarian Milind Kulkarni sir, other members on the dais, a very good evening to all of you. बोलने तो बहुत सारी बातें यहाँ से हम लोगों को सीखना है. मैं यहाँ पर ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ MCOA महाराष्ट्र क्लास ओनर्स एसोसिएशन की तरफ से मुझे ये सीट मिला है एंड आई एम रियली वेरी मच ऑब्लाइज्ड. सो बिकॉज when you are associated with an association, it gives you a lot of power. वरना एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन तो है, बट इंसान क्या है? It is how you behave in the society, what you are ready to give to the society, and definitely I believe that Rotary Club is also on the same lines. So this particular association coming together was possible. I would definitely like to mention here that our team member Mahesh Gala sir, who is also a part of Rotary Club of Kalyan, deserves a huge round of applause for his efforts. It would have not have been possible. जैसा उन्होंने बताया कि हम लोग चर्चा कर रहे थे, and then he came up कि Rotary Club is also planning. Let us come together. And हम लोगों का ब्रीद वाक्य भी तो वही है. Let's merge to emerge. So what better example than this? Pandemic has taught us so many things. As we heard from the teacher that those who teach in rural areas definitely face lot of problem, and nothing is different as far as private coaching classes is concerned. हम लोग अगर एजुकेशन की बात करें तो नेचुरली स्टूडेंट स्कूल कॉलेजेस कंपल्सरी एज्युकेशन में गिना जाता आहे. जसं मॅडम म्हटलं थोडा वेळ अगोदर की क्लासेसला मावशीची दर्जा दिली गेली आहे, पण खरोखर आम्ही पण सांगतो हक्काने आम्ही पण पालक आहात त्यांची. त्यांचं भविष्य घडवण्यात आमचं पण तेवढंच वाटा आहे जेवढं नॉर्मल टीचरचा असतो. मे बी देर मे बी सर्टन कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीज, बट देन वी स्ट्राइव. सो when we talk about pandemic, when we talk about these things, lot of negativities happen. A student takes admission in college, school ज़बरदस्ती लेना पड़ता है, लेकिन जब वो कोचिंग क्लास की बात आती है then he says अब तो ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम है, क्लास जाने की क्या ज़रूरत है. Data suggests that almost 60% of the coaching classes existing have shut down. It is not that कि they intended, but they could not. That is a harsh fact. But जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं, जैसे हम लोग सुनते हैं, बीइंग अ मैराथन रनर माई सेल्फ, हम लोग को हमेशा एक दो शब्द बोले जाते हैं, भाग लो या भाग लो. सो दोज हू couldn't, they definitely quit, but we have prime examples in our fraternity. We have motivation. ऐसे लोग जो लोगों ने इस पैंडमिक के दौरान कुछ अलग करने का कोशिश किया. हमारे बीच में वी आर हैविंग संतोष बचाव सर, हु हैज़ गॉन आउट ऑफ द वे एंड ही हैज़ गॉट ऑनलाइन एसोसिएशन विथ नेटबेट. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, पहले वो सिर्फ कल्याण में सिखाते थे, आज पूरे महाराष्ट्र में सिखाते हैं. वी हैव आनंद सर हु वॉज डूइंग द एंकरिंग पार्ट. वो मैथ्स सिखाते थे टू 11th 12th FY. But when pandemic hit, उनको नया आइडिया आया. He started online tuitions and now he teaches pan India. We have people who have diversified not only in education but in other sectors too. We have Vaibhav Gujar sir who has like started a wheat flour business, totally different line. हमारे पास भाविन तन्ना सर है जिन्होंने होटल इंडस्ट्री में अपना एंट्री किया है. मैं तो कुछ लोग को जानता हूँ, उनके बारे में मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ, बट देयर मे बी hundreds and thousands of teachers who have adapted. And just like Sanjeev Gala sir said कि better times are to come, we need not worry, we just need to hold our seats. So MCOA, as we understand, there are many coaching classes who have merged on mutual understanding basis, and there are again so many examples which I can quote. The basic idea is बस थोड़े देर और सब्र करो. I can clearly remember the words of Dr. बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर. शिका, संघटित व्हा आणि संघर्ष करा. यश नक्कीच आपल्याला मिळेल याची खात्री ठेवा. As far as social responsibility of MCOA is concerned, we saw Rotary has been very lively conducting so many things. I would not like to go much into details of MCOA because time is a major constraint and we have very good speakers, and I personally am a fan of Ullas Koladkar sir. I would like to listen to him more than what I am saying. But MCOA conducted a mega blood donation drive in association with Government of Maharashtra. We had blood donation camp at 28 centers across MMR. And these people are nothing but coaching class owners. And on that one particular day, or rather it was a period of 3 days, we could collect more than 1,200 bottles of blood. So MCOA has been trying to be very, very positive and make a positive impact to the teacher's life as much as possible. But ऐसा मुझे आज सुबह या 2 दिन पहले की बात है, मेरे दोस्त ने पूछा, ये MCO करते क्या है? What do you do? मैंने बोला MCA कौन है? MCOA मैं हूँ, MCOA आप है, आप बताओ, what do you do? He was silent. The efforts are like efforts of a mother. वो बहुत कुछ करती है, लेकिन कभी बच्चे को ज़्यादा कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता. CEC के members, they have tried their best to meet the government authorities to bring justice to these association members. But some get through, some fail. But let us all believe that the efforts are going on. And there will be a day where we will soon see the light. As we know, yesterday our education minister has tweeted that from 4th October, the things will be a bit normal. I am not sure how much it will, but we can see some light at the end of the tunnel. So I request to all teachers who are a part of this, or maybe who are just listening, that things will be better. As my introductory words said that I am a poet, I write many poems. Last four lines dedicated to teachers from my side. A teacher and student stand at 2 stages of life with different priority. A teacher and student stand at 2 stages of life with different priority. A student should understand that every act of teacher is aimed at his prosperity. At that stage of life, the act of teacher may seem improper. At that stage of life, the act of teacher may seem improper. Just remember, all the efforts are channelized to convert gold from copper. Thank you all of you.